In this lesson I will show you how to add chamfers to an edge. If you watched my previous video about adding fillets, then adding chamfers is very similar. And to add a chamfer to an edge, select the edge you want to chamfer and select chamfer command. Now specify the size of the chamfer, for example 5 mm, and click OK to accept. If you want to add more edges to this operation, right click and select Edit Chamfer, then click Add and select the edges and click Add again. And if you want to remove the chamfer from the selected edge, click the Remove button and select the edge and click Remove again. And the chamfer has been removed from the selected edge. Click OK to accept, and let's remove this operation. Select this operation and press Delete key. OK. You can select multiple edges for chamfering. Just use the Ctrl key to select the edges you want to chamfer. Hold down the Ctrl key and now select the edges by clicking the left mouse button. OK, select chamfer and specify the chamfer size, for example 4 mm, and click OK to accept. OK, delete this operation. And now I'm going to show you another way to add chamfers. And if you want to chamfer all edges on a face, just select that face and choose the chamfer command. Specify the size of the chamfer, and in this way all the edges of the wall will be chamfered. And if you want to select all edges of the model, check the Use All Edges. OK, let's delete this operation. If your model has a lot of edges, it may be difficult to select edges in this view. Then it's worth to changing the view to wireframe view. And in this view, selecting the edges is much easier. And after selecting the edges, you can switch back to the As Is view and you can select the command. OK. I hope this lesson will be useful to you, and thanks for watching, and please subscribe to this channel.